Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file manager for Subway Surfers. First, you'll need a reliable file manager app on your device. Once installed, open it and grant necessary permissions. We'll navigate to the game's data folder, which typically resides in your internal storage. This process allows you to view and potentially modify game files, offering a new level of control over your Subway Surfers experience. It's a straightforward way to explore the game's backend. To find the game data, open your file manager and go to your internal storage. Look for the Android folder, then Data. Inside Data, scroll until you find COM, Kilo, Subway Surf. This is the main game folder. Within it, you'll usually find a Files folder. This is where important game data, like your character progress and coin counts, are stored. It's crucial to be careful when browsing these directories. Now, for modifying game elements, you'll typically look for files like Profile, DAT, or similar within the Files folder. You might need a specific editor, like a text or hex editor, to open these. Here, you can potentially adjust values for things like your coin count or the number of keys you possess. Remember, always make a backup of any file before you modify it. This ensures you can restore your game if something goes wrong. After making your desired changes, save the modified file in your editor. Ensure it overwrites the original file in the game's data folder. Then, close your file manager completely. The next step is to restart Subway Surfers. If everything was done correctly, you should see your changes reflected in the game. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced game experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.